Hello and welcome to Ciena Insights. My name is Gautam Billa and I am Director for System Engineering at Ciena in India. Today we'll be talking about technical solution approaches to build next generation access networks in India. First, let's start with defining why access networks are more important than ever before. Through multiple customer engagements, both locally and across the world, we've consistently heard from telecom service providers that they are planning to transform their networks to meet the unprecedented traffic growth and ensuring that they are ready for upcoming technologies like LTE, LTE Advanced Pro, and 5G. Let me give you a few statistics from an India perspective. India is expected to have 850,000 cell sites by 2020. Currently, only about 10 to 15% of the existing cell sites are fiberized. Another market driver is the availability of wireless spectrum. With consolidation happening in the Indian telecom market, the three large operators now have access to a larger pie of the total available spectrum. Talks have already started for the next spectrum auction for 5G. Operators must monetize this critical resource to ensure the best return on investments. If network operators are to successfully deliver the promise of high-performance data rates with upcoming technologies, then fiber densification needs to increase from the current 10 to 15% to at least a 50% plus. Over the coming 2 years, we'll see the top three operators adding at least 100,000 additional fiber pops into the access networks. The success of these projects demands highly scalable, adaptive, and cost-effective access solutions coupled with intelligent automation. So let's evaluate the top three technology choices for an ideal access solution. Firstly, an all-IP scenario where traditional routers go right up to the last mile. This solution comes with a heavy baggage of protocols and configuration requirements, as layer 3 designs are inherently complex, which results in the need for highly skilled manpower. This approach does provide a good amount of flexibility. Secondly, there is a cost-effective layer 2 solution based on MPLS-TP, which can easily perform the backhaul functions for 2G, 3G, and 4G. The solution derives the cost economics of Ethernet and operational simplicity. However, it lacks the flexibility of IP. Finally, there is also an OTN-based approach which offers lower latency and predictable traffic which is required by 5G. However, the cost economics and rigidity of OTN-based switching can sometimes be prohibitive to the scale that is required by Indian operators. Each of these solutions has their advantages and disadvantages. So network operators often have a rather difficult choice to make in order to keep the cost down and at the same time provide best-in-class services to their users. A much more ideal way for network operators is to choose from the benefits of all three technologies and leverage convergence. So we want to pick the flexibility of IP, the cost economics of layer 2, and the predictability of layer 1 solutions. So is there a way to achieve all these three aspects in a single compact solution? Certainly now it is. The new Lean IP product series are custom built for this purpose. They are compact, highly scalable, they deliver the flexibility of IP, they deliver the cost economics of Ethernet, and it is possible to route traffic in a much more predictable manner with SDN integration. This new category of products supports netconf YANG models and are much more friendly to integration with analytic engines and big data processing. In conclusion, Lean IP with a combination of SDN control and analytics is the way to go to build next generation India access networks. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us or visit ciena.com.